A lot of consumers to deal with real estate agent always want to know who they are, what they do, how they do, and why they do it. Therefore, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Li Li Hwang, a full-time real estate broker associate in the city of Rancho Cucamonga, serving in the real estate over 31 years in the Inland Empire. I really enjoy what I do because I enjoy leading my client to whatever their promised land may be. To see their smile and joy as they step into the home of their dream for the very first time. I believe in my career as a real estate broker associate, consultant, and a marketer is to give my client clarified focus and help them realize the best way to look at buying or selling property. My purpose is not only to give a client honest advice and an alternative way to buy and sell real estate, but also to help a client have a fresh, honest, empathetic, and more external focused mindset while they are buying and selling from the beginning. This is not only about buying or selling the house. It is all about understanding what a family needs are and helping them get exactly what they want to achieve their goal. The real estate business is not just about a house business, it is a people business. I feel a successful real estate transaction is fashioned with the proper tool, experience, and expertise in real estate marketing and practice matter. I live and raise my kids here over 38 years in the Inland Empire. Here is my home. I have seen many things change. I remember when it was just vacant land everywhere, where the largest shopping malls are now. Victoria Garden, Ontario Mills, single-family home community, and condo community projects, shopping center, all of those developments along the freeway 10, 210, 15, 60, and 91 freeway, most call in the progress. And it's true that many have done well as the metro area of the Inland Empire has grown. There are, however, some in our community that for reasons beyond we can fully understand are experiencing real hardship, circumstances like tragedy, loss, victim, sick, disabled, abused, hungry, graduate year, and unemployed. People with one or a combination of those hardships do exist and exist in the numbers that will shock most. Thanks God for the great people at Loma University Children's Hospital for over decade years in the Loma. That's why they are my first charity. I would like to donate a portion of our income to charity. Our goal is to help them tear patient to heal, save, cure, and comfort under their care, leading the way in helping those in our community that need help the most. Must must lead the way in restoring the life one person and one community at a time. So your referral, those you know who is considering a move that we can help. We can assure that not only they will get the award-winning service we are known for, but also that a solid portion of our income we receive goes toward a very worthy cause. Let us work together to help a community, change life in our community, and go serve big. You can reach me at 909-910-1188 or visit my website at lilyhuanghomeselling.com. Thank you.